What is that?
The Google Pixel 2.
What can it do?
A lot.
Can it tell me where to leave?
Yes, now.
And the fastest way there?
Yep.
Can it tell me my bike code?
10, 4, 17.
Can it tell me if I need an umbrella?
Yes.
Rain is expected.
She's right.
What if I forget it?
A bit of water's all right.
Really?
Can you take a selfie just by saying take a selfie?
Yep.
Take a selfie. Take a selfie. Take a selfie. Take a selfie.
Go for selfie.
Is this gonna look shaky?
Nope, smooth.
Can it call me bae?
Yes, bae.
And text my bae?
Yes, bae.
Without using my hands?
Yes, bae.
Can I order me a sandwich?
Yes.
And another one?
Yes.
Can it speak to my house?
Sure.
Can it turn the lights off?
Yes.
On.
Yes.
Off.
Yes.
On.
Yes.
Off. On.
Yes.
Doing?
Do I still have to sit here for ages?
Nope. It charges in 15 minutes.
What happens if I snap this?
It gives you info.
What happens if I snap her?
You get a great shot.
That's a great shot.
She thinks so too.
Will it ever do this?
Never.
So I can take as many as I want?
As many as you want.
Can it drop a beat though?
Yes.
My peoples, four-seaters, the girls' peepers,
Does it know what I want
Before you know you want it? Absolutely.
Does it know what I don't want?
Certainly.
Why is no one picking up?
Can it see at night?
Well, let's see. It can.
Little lads, we understand me.
For sure. Yep. Yes. Yes.
Does it have one of those cable things that just switches your stuff over and...
10 minutes?
Yeah.
Yep.
What happens if I squeeze it?
Try it.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. How can I help?
Oh, hello.
Can it tell me something I forgot?
It's your mom's birthday.
I forgot that!
So, it's a phone?
Well, it's a phone by Google.
super fast Google Pixel 5 with 5G. But to a gaming gamer,
It's fast.
it's the instant action activator. To a guy downloading a movie,
Really fast.
it's the rapid rom-com retriever. To friends catching up,
Oh, I like that.
it's the social undistancer. And to anyone who doesn't want to pay too much for a phone,
If you look at the economics of the phone box,
it's the nice price surpriser. The 5G Google Pixels from $499.
This is about you and your not so routine morning routine. Your traditions that are always getting better. Your ideas that don't care what time it is. Your memories. How you want to remember them. Your fears, your courage, your freckles, your flair, your strut, your final little touches. Your way of always getting lost and the things you find along the way. The things that make you who you are will be the very things that make this phone what it is. The new Google Pixel 6.
I say go ahead and do it. Do it.